Our today's topic is patterns. Finding a pattern is something like a game. It is very interesting. Friends, now what is a pattern? A pattern is something that repeats over and over again. I'll repeat once more. A pattern is something that repeats over and over again. It may be a shape, design, color, number, letters, objects, or anything. Okay, now how do you solve a pattern? Yes, friends, each pattern has a set of rules. If you understand the rules, it is easier to solve a pattern. Let's see with examples. Friends, here we have dominoes. Let's identify the pattern and solve it. Here we have a blue domino, black domino, blue, black, blue, black. So what comes next? Yes, it is a blue domino. Now, blue, black, blue, black, blue, black, blue. So what comes next? Yes, it is a black domino. For simple pattern like this, you can solve the pattern easily. For complicated patterns, it is difficult. So you can name the objects in the pattern and it will be easier to solve any complicated patterns. Friends, here we name blue dominoes as A and black dominoes as B. A, B, A, B, A, B. So what comes next? Yes, it is a A. A is blue dominoes. Now what comes next? Yes, it is B. B is a black dominoes. This is a AB pattern. This is a repeated pattern. Here we can solve the second pattern. Now I'll name red dominoes as A and the yellow dominoes as B. A, B. A, B. Now this is a AAB pattern. Now what comes after A? Yes, it is a A. Now A, B. A, B. A. Now what comes next? Yes, it is a B. Now this is a AAB pattern. Friends, let us solve another pattern. I'll name pink dominoes as A, orange dominoes as B, and blue dominoes as C. A, B, A, C. A, B, A, C. A. So what comes next? Yes, it is a B dominoes. Now A, B, A, C. A, B, A, C. A, B. So what comes next? Yes, it is a A. And now A, B, A, C. A, B, A, C. A, B, A. Yes, it is a blue dominoes. Okay, this is a ABAC pattern. This is how we solve the pattern. Friends, if we give names to the object, it will be easier to solve the patterns. You can see patterns everywhere around you. You can see in the dresses, tiles, gates, and everywhere. Friends, you know one thing? You can create your own patterns using your household things. For example, if you have an apple, banana and orange at home, name apple as A, banana as B and orange as C. If you repeatedly keep these fruits in this ABC order, then it is an ABC pattern. If you have spoons and forks at home, name spoon as A and fork as B. And if you arrange 2 spoons and 2 forks repeatedly, then it is a AABB pattern. Like these examples, you can make any pattern using household items. Friends, do more patterns like this in your home and give feedback in our social media pages, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe our channel.